Hi, I'm Joey Davila, and welcome to Developer Junior. This is the show where you'll find out how to get started in the world of software development and have some fun along the way.
Hey Joey, what's up? Oh wow, cameras are everywhere. Are we doing the show today?
Hey Junior, yeah we are.
Oh cool, I'm so excited about this. You're gonna show me a bunch of things that'll help me to program my own video games, right?
Yeah, all kinds of crazy things.
Cool, let's get started. What are you gonna show me?
Today I'm going to show you Kodu, which is a game programming system. Lets you make your own video games without all the hassle of crazy, complex computer programming languages.
Wait, do I need to know math?
Nope.
Oh, that's great.
All you need is an idea for a game. You can program it with a keyboard and mouse, but I much prefer to use an Xbox 360 controller.
Oh, I have ideas for games and controllers.
Yeah, well,
I'm a programmer.
yes you are. And with Kodu, it's pretty easy. And Kodu you can download for the PC for free, or if you've got 400 Xbox points, you can download it into your Xbox. So, do you want to try a really simple programming exercise?
I can learn to program today?
You can learn to program in a couple of minutes with Kodu.
Wow.
So let's take it out for a spin. What we've got right here on the screen is a simple tutorial where we're going to try some really simple programming. Look there on the left side of the screen.
It's a flying
Kodu.
acorn.
Yeah, that's Kodu. He's a robot. Yeah, he does look like a flying acorn.
Hey Kodu.
And on the right-hand side of the screen, we've got a castle. And this programming exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to program Kodu to move towards the castle.
Go to the castle, Kodu. Fly. You can do it.
And notice that that didn't work. And that's because Kodu doesn't respond to verbal commands,
What
but
does
to
it respond
programming. To programming, which you can do with the Xbox 360 controller. Let's try programming Kodu really quickly.
Yeah, let's do that. How do we do that?
All right. Well, I'm going to use the Xbox 360 controller. Get into programming mode right here.
That looks really simple.
It is. And
Wow.
I'm going to select Kodu, and here we have the Kodu programming screen. They've already provided a couple of lines of code for us. It's just these lines of code tell Kodu to, sprout out some hearts and say some stuff. So that's already there. What we want to do is program Kodu to move towards the castle. So we're going to do that right now.
So it says when and do. Does that mean, what does that mean?
The idea behind programming Kodu is when something happens, do something in response.
Oh, that sounds really straightforward. Is that just all programming is?
A lot of programming, what they call event-driven program, is done that way.
Wow.
So a lot of video games and a lot of Windows programs, you do it that way.
That sounds that makes a lot of sense to me, Joey.
Yeah, and when you boil it down, it's that simple.
Wow.
So what we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, Kodu, when you see the castle, move towards it.
Right. Yeah,
So-
he's got to go toward the castle.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pencil cursor here, and I'm going to click on it, and we see a menu of all kinds of options.
Whoa, you do
that
so much
Kodu,
stuff.
yeah, that Kodu reacts to. So we're going to pick C from the menu. So when Kodu sees the castle,
Oh, so when he sees something, then
So I need-
something happens.
yeah. So I need
Yeah.
to specify when what it is Kodu sees. In this case, there's a whole bunch of things Kodu can react to. Some other robots.
There are other robots?
Yep, there are other robots,
Wow.
all kinds of things in the game.
Yeah.
But what we're going to do right now is respond to some of the objects in the game. So I'm going to pick objects from the menu.
Oh.
And then
Factories and
factories,
stars?
rocks, trees,
Wow.
stars. I'm going to pick castle.
Right, that makes sense because we want him to go toward the castle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now we have when Kodu sees the castle. Now we need to program the do part.
Yeah, so he has to move toward it. How do you make him move toward it?
Well, we move the pencil cursor over to do. I'm going to hit the A button here. I've got a whole bunch of actions here in the
Whoa.
menu. Turn, eat, shoot, combat, that kind of thing.
Combat?
Combat. We'll do that
I
in a later
love
show.
combat.
We'll do it in a later show.
Oh, wow. I
Focus,
can't wait.
Junior, focus.
All right, okay.
So
Okay.
anyways, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to pick move right now because we wanted to move towards the castle. So I'm going to pick move from the menu. And I need to specify which direction to move. So I pop up the menu.
Toward.
Toward.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And you know what? Let's have them do it quickly.
Okay.
So I'm going to pop up the menu again. And quickly is the option I pick.
Oh, wow, that is so straightforward.
And guess what? We're done programming.
No.
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Well, let's take the game out for a spin now
yeah,
that we're done.
this is so exciting.
So I'm going to go into the menu, select play, hit the A button, and this time, instead of Kodu standing still doing nothing, he's
going.
making a beeline straight towards the castle.
Run, Kodu!
And the castle's also programmed to shoot off fireworks and display the winner screen.
I like fireworks. That's amazing.
Isn't that great? And
That's
not only
fantastic.
that, yeah, I bet you like programming now because you just wrote your first program.
Wow. No, really? I'm a programmer now?
You are a programmer
Wow.
now. You just wrote your first line of code and made a working program.
That's amazing. That's so great. Can we blow stuff up with it?
Maybe in a future show, but yes, you can.
Okay, well, hey, I want to use this at home. Where can I go get this?
Well, you can get your own copy of Kodu by going to devjunior.com/Kodu or by going to devjunior.com/episode1. Check out the show notes. We'll have links to it there.
Cool, I'm going to tell all my friends. Hey, can we share this with each other?
Yeah, you sure can, Junior. We'll put a link in the show notes with instructions for sharing files with each other. You can do it with a PC version.
Oh, wow, that's so great. Can our viewers send us their games?
I'd love to see games created by our viewers.
Yeah.
Once you know how to save your files and where to get the file from, send your files to us at feedback@devjunior.com. We'll show off our favorite Kodu programs.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And you know what? Also, if you got ideas for future shows, send them to us there using that same email address, feedback@devjunior.com.
Awesome. Thanks, Joey. This has been great.
Well, that's it for Developer Junior. I'm Joey Davila.
And I'm Junior.
And we'll see you next time.